Your wallet is like a digital bank account for buying utilities and paying any related council or complex charges. Always keep some funds in it for emergencies. If your wallet goes zero or negative balance, you won't be able to buy electricity or water. Payments under 110 Rand and ATM deposits can take up to 24 hours to reflect, so it's best to deposit more than 110 Rand. KKP can only follow the banking rules of your bank when allocating payments. All banks disclose their payment rules on their website, so please go check them out. Once you have made the payment, you can go back to your Smart Wallet to use the funds. Step 5. Purchasing tokens. On the Smart Wallet dashboard, you can check the wallet balance to see how much money is in your wallet. Top up wallet to add more funds to your wallet. Check your statement to view a breakdown of all transactions. Buy a token to purchase electricity or water tokens. To buy tokens, make sure you have enough funds in your wallet. If not, follow the previous steps to load sufficient funds. Please note that a minimum of 50 Rand can be bought on tokens for utilities. Click on Buy Token, choose electricity or water, enter the amount, and click Buy. The token will appear on your dashboard. Use the token to load the voucher on your keypad. Make sure to load the correct tokens into the correct meter, electricity tokens into the electricity meter, and water tokens into the water meter. Thanks for watching. If you need further assistance, contact our call centre at 087 255 6508 or on WhatsApp at 079 470 2803. Happy metering with KKP.